Throughout the galaxy, an alert has sounded, warning of the most urgent crisis to ever face the children of Earth. Finally, one was chosen to go to Earth and answer the call. His name is Omega Man.
Come here, you little pig. Where's your purse back? It's okay. Here, try this. Scared me. He thinks he's a tough guy.
Choices you make today, young people, will determine your tomorrow. The choices you make here in middle school, 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade, high school years, college years. Everyone say, hold on to your dreams. I believe in you. Dream makers do what is right. Dream breakers do what is popular. Hey, I got some alcohol over here. What are you going to say? No! They got peer pressure. They're trying to steal his dream away. If I believe, I'll achieve. Every bad choice you made in the past, let's put it in this book today. The choice I make today will determine my tomorrow. Hey, mom and dad will never know. Hey, my teachers will never know. Now, this thing has overtaken my life. Those that stop learning, stop bleeding. When you start making right choices with your actions, guess what happens? It clears right back up. And you get right back on path, right back on the horse.
Omega Man came in today and rocked the house. It was phenomenal.
The message he's sending to the kids are letting them know that they've got a choice in life.
It really is neat for kids to have some kind of reward after they've worked so hard, but for it to be such a positive message just made it that much better.
It's okay to make the good choices over the bad choices through school, through peer pressure, through outside influences. So he's sending a good message to the kids. I'm glad it came today.
Or you can let this message change you and make you a better young person.
Really going to make a big impact in these students' lives and encourage them if they need this encouragement, especially just that they don't hear it at all. And we're very grateful that he was able to come, and we hope that we can continue to partner with you guys and have you guys here more often.
You've got messages coming at your kids through television and radio and things that normally a wholesome foundation and a family would never promote. Yet every day we allow our children to watch TV and see these things. and we really don't have a lot of control over things like that. So what do you do to counteract that? You have someone like Mark Wilkes, Omega Man, who comes in and has the power to influence and change the course of the life that your child is on. It's key and it's critical.
I feel that Omega Man had a very positive influence on our school and that he is someone that the children can look up to.
Omega Man helped me by teaching me to hold on to my dreams and don't let them go. To never give up and to believe in yourself.